guys, this is Pineapple, aka the Big Kahuna. Sorry I couldn't be out there, but I'm just ready to catch these waves. Just wanted to remind you guys to make it out here in beautiful San Diego in 2012. And we'll be doing more than blending the flavors, if you know what I mean. Well, you guys, catch you stirring it up here in San Diego. I'm out.
Come on, you're taking forever.